Hi, so upon arrival here at the COVID-19 vaccination site at the Kern County Fairgrounds, you will stop at the first canopy where they will provide you with the fact sheet on the COVID-19 vaccine, and they will also give you instructions on what the next step is to follow. This is where they will check you in. They will ask you a couple of questions. They'll ask for your name. They'll ask if this is your first dose or second dose, and they will ask if you have an appointment. It is not required to have an appointment, however, it is preferred.
Hi, good morning. Can you please turn off your car? Of course. How are you? Is it your first or second dose?
It is my second dose. So this is the third canopy where you will be sent at. So they will ask you to park your car, and then they will again ask you if it's your first or second dose, and then the nurse will actually administer the vaccine here at the third canopy.
Good morning. My name's Chris. If you can, please go ahead and park your car. 15 minutes.
Thank you. So this is the last station where paramedics will ask you to park your vehicle, and they will put you in observation for 15 minutes. Remember, you can keep your vehicle on so that you can keep your AC on. It's easy, it's fast, it's convenient. You don't even have to come off your vehicle. Remember that our vaccination site here at the Kern County Fairgrounds is open from Wednesday through Sunday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m.